everybody, we're back again. This is Kim. I'm back again with another video. Today is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Damon.
I'm supposed to say happy Father's Day to everybody. All the fathers, happy Father's Day.
Okay, well, you said it for me.
Thank you.
He's right. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Happy Father's Day. Hopefully y'all enjoying y'all day. We really just getting ours started and it's almost 6 o'clock. Yeah, so we get ready to go to a restaurant. We get ready to go to Longhorn. We wanted to go to Texas Roadhouse, but the wait is extremely long. So we decided to go to Longhorn. You already know Tucano's wait gonna be long too. You know they got a Tucano style in the Galleria.
Yeah, forgot about that. He did say we was gonna try that.
Yeah, and then you should have a $10 coupon.
Oh, yeah, I do.
$10 coupon for Tucano's.
I thought it was a free meal.
No, it's not a. Oh yeah, it is a free meal.
Yeah, it was on your birthday. It's a free meal.
Yeah, that's right. Well, we could do that for your birthday. So yeah, we're gonna go to Longhorn, and hopefully the wait is shorter. You probably should have called over there to see. We at Cypress, so since they're not crowded, so we decided to come here. Hopefully the food is good. If not, it's a bus. All right.
What is that?
No wait. There's no wait. This might be a bus. Okay, we're gonna see. You getting pizza?
No. Sprite.
I'll just take, what kind of cocktail do you recommend?
What kind of vodka?
Cocktail.
Cocktail?
Yeah.
The Tito Spiked Lemonade's good. The Hammerhead's good.
Spike.
Our Blue Long Island's pretty good.
Do y'all have any specials?
So, Dad, you get a free domestic beer and 6 wings, but besides that...
A free domestic beer? Okay, well, we'll take Bud Light for him.
Yeah, I want Bud Light.
And 6 wings?
Yeah, we get 6 wings too.
Yeah.
We're talking about some weed.
Why we're not?
Starbucks?
Oh, no, why would you Bud Light?
Or do y'all got Corona?
Yeah, but that's not Florida.
It's just the U.S. beer.
Yeah, that's it.
Bud Light is probably the
Stella
best.
ain't here? What's that, German?
Y'all don't consider Stella, do y'all?
No, it's just like Bud Light, but Florida.
Even though they brew it, but sucks. Yeah, we'll just do Bud Light and some water, please.
Okay, did you want a third Bud Light for you?
No, I'm drinking his.
Okay. And then for you guys?
Lemonade? Did you say Happy Father's Day to your dad?
I gave him paper and then I said Happy Father's Day.
You want to say something to the camera?
No.
Say happy Father's Day to all
Usually
of
you
the
be the
fathers.
one that say, just subscribe. The chicken wings don't come with nothing. What a size.
You got a wing, bro.
Okay, yeah. See, maybe this is gonna work out. Free beer.
Right.
Free wings.
And
The money almost
She
good.
trying to- see, snitches get stitches.
Right. You talking about some weed. I almost kicked her in her head. Like,
What? It's free. She talking about going on a third beer. No.
Yeah.
Drink it in.
I got 4 kids.
You drink beer? No.
I drink enough for both of us.
Oh, I might give you the beer. I don't know.
I
I get? This?
I got the hottest wings, suicide.
Not gonna enjoy it.
You got what?
The hottest wings.
Got the hottest.
So, did
wait,
you
so
wanna
what
actually
The cabin she talking about.
so that you got a free one, or because you can do a 6-week, like
If it's 8, too late.
don't put it on all the top of
I'm
them.
not thinking.
Plenty of fries, man.
Right.
Time on you tonight.
You want this? You need ketchup. I need some ketchup.
Is there any way I get some extra sauce?
Yeah, some extra Jim Beam.
Yeah, please.
That's why I do it. Like
You like the shrimp?
Just keep it still. It's gonna be a lot.
I got the suicide wings. The camera on. Move your hands. You're blocking me. I got the suicide wings. Woo.
I don't see how people eat it.
I'm gonna take him down like a champ today.
His nose on me. Yeah, you brought plenty of napkins. So what?
I need my money back.
Oh,
You didn't need no straw.
This will take over.
Can I get you guys anything else right now? Anything else good? Another Sprite?
Yeah, my money back.
They was free.
I know. That's why I said get suicide. These ain't even hot. These taste like Tyson wings.
I got all five Tyson wings.
Like my view, I'm going live. They need a contest for these wings. How many you can eat or something? Talking about some suicide.
Yeah, that's the same thing you said at Wingo. Oh,
No.
wait, what is it? Oh, wing?
Yeah, you got me on camera on that too. I
Those
took
were
them out.
good.
Them ain't even hot.
Yeah, but he had the real hot ones. Damn, this sauce cold.
They be bluffing. Wings ain't hot. I ain't even sweating yet.
Oh, you will be.
I ate 3, half of them.
That's all you do is eat hot wings, though. So of course it ain't gonna be hot to you.
Nah, some wings be hot.
But wings, like with mommy, those wings probably super spicy.
These ain't talking about nothing.
Them fries weren't even yours.
I know. YouTube, I'm deep on food today.
Alright. For real.
These ain't no suicide wings. I know that.
Oh my God. Somebody bring this man some suicide wings.
Every 5 seconds, these wings ain't hot.
They not. I want to be known.
We heard you the first 2 times.
Woo. Is it hot in here?
Oh, it's hot now, huh?
It's cold. You starting to sweat.
Can't take your teeth out for that, huh?
It's hot now.
I just think you got all 16.
Got it.
So it got hot on the last one.
Yeah.
Both
Done now.
Them both of our wings look a little dry.
I was thinking the same.
Okay, Damon's driving. So what do y'all think about the restaurant?
Thumbs up.
10 out of 10, I would eat there again. Bars.
You'll give it a 10 though?
Yes. Yeah, it was a nice restaurant. They served really good drinks. My chicken wings wasn't like super, super high, but they were pretty good. What you think about your burger, Damon?
I think it was like a 5.
5 out of 10?
But I thought you said it tastes like Red Robin's. You like Red Robin's.
No, he loves Red Robin.
Right.
Yeah.
You just like Red Robin's because they sung Happy Birthday.
Well, that and because it's good, but I'm not sure if it's Red.
It's not. I might have to hold this. It's not Red Robin's. I I gotta hold it because this thing's sliding
I'm
everywhere.
talking about it tastes.
Yeah, it was. I enjoyed it. It was nice. That was our first time. I would go back. I would go back.
I like it because it wasn't a wait. You know, you could have go right in and sit down. Yeah.
That to me, that ain't have nothing to do with it. I prefer a good meal over a wait. You know what I'm saying? Not over a wait. I'm sorry. If I have to wait for a good meal, it's not gonna bother me. It's not gonna bother me if I have to wait for a good meal. You know, I don't want to wait for a bad meal. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it was pretty good. Like I said, the wings was cool. I wish they were fried a little harder. They could have been fried a little bit longer.
Mine was good.
I do agree. They could have fried them a little crunchy.
Right.
Mine was a little crunchy. That's what I'm telling you.
But at the same time, I did have a lot of sauce on my wings too. So
I didn't have a lot of sauce either.
my wings was low-key drenched.
And then those shrimp you had was amazing. Those were real good. I most definitely would get those shrimp again. But yeah, I enjoyed myself. Like I said, they served really good drinks. The drinks was on point. I had got like a pink Starburst shot for $5. That was pretty good. I think that grand margarita was a little bit overpriced. It was like $11, but it was good. It was good. Cause one thing I can say about that restaurant, they don't skimp on the liquor. I can tell you that much. So yeah, I guess that's our Father's Day.
Yeah.
You enjoy yourself?
Yes, I did. Turned out nice.
Sorry, guys, if that was too loud. We tried not to.
That's our new thing. 1, 2, 3.
That ain't new.
3.
We only do that because David.
LOL.
LOL.
Yes, boy.
You only type that or text that.
We only do that because Damon always doing it. He been doing that for years, and now we just kind of we make a joke out of it because he always say that. So now that's gonna be our thing, right?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Next time we're gonna shine them.
Oh man, that was hilarious. Alright y'all, we're gonna see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom, and we're gonna see y'all in the next one.
3, 2, 1.